Hey, what's up you guys? Yes, I am making this intro from my phone. Yeah, I'm an idiot, what can I say? Of course, with any unboxing, I want the intro to be with my full face of the look already done, and somehow I forgot to do that. But yes, indeed, this is the October 2018 IPSY bag unboxing and try-on. So if you want to know which, what was in the IPSY that made this look happen, then keep on watching. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to this video. I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna know. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead, dive right in. You already know what it looks like. If you see me not looking at the camera, I am looking at the reflection, just to see if I'm in frame. Okay. Oh my god, this is for real. Oh my gosh, it's freaking backwards. It's cute. It has like, I don't know what to call it. I'm very bad at explaining and I'm sorry, but I promise I'll get better. I really like this bag just by the looks of it. I know it's cuter than the past 2 months. I don't know, I've just really liked it. Let's just go ahead and dive in. Oh my gosh, I just felt something. Where's the card? Did I even get one? Oh my gosh, guys, I don't think I got a card. Wait, yeah, I did. So, October 2018, who said nights were for sleep? It looks like this. Once the try-on part of the video comes about, I already have like the rest of my face brushes, eye brushes, and the rest of my makeup, just in case, like, let's say I get a blush. Like, I'm not just gonna apply blush, you know, like on a bare face. So off camera, I'll apply my foundation, I'll come back, and then we'll try it out for you to see. And with the first product, of course, we have a brush right here. Ooh, it is very cute. So it's like sparkly. The bristles look nice. They feel nice. It's very fluffy and it has 2 cute jewels. Next product. Ooh, we went ahead and dove into it. This is Nomad Cosmetics High Pigment Velvety Eyeshadow with Cosmic Pearls for illuminated color and magnetic look. Oh, this is very, very cute, guys. This reminds me of the NYX, like the way that it's formed, you know? Very cute. So you'll be the judge of the color first, and then I will go ahead and see it. Is it pretty? Oh, okay. Let's swatchy, 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 swatch. And we have the little swatch right there. Was that a good swatch? I'm sorry, I didn't see. It's pretty. On to the next product. We have here the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream for a dry, parched skin. Actually, I'm gonna try this later because I don't have something to wipe off the swatch and I just don't want to mix it and just be like covered in shimmer. Next product here. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is cute. Look at the packaging. This is Space Case Cosmetics blush. Was I not just talking about blush? Oh my gosh. Okay, and we have here, it is called Cosmic Gangster, and it is a twisty blush. Can y'all see that? No, y'all can't. It's a very subtle pink. Okay. This is the final thing. Oh. Okay, we have a MAC lip gloss. Wow, okay, IPSY. So this is a MAC lip gloss. Also, if I didn't mention, it was the last product on our October IPSY. It is in no color. Let's swatch for y'all real quick. I'm sorry, my swatches suck. It is like, I thought it was gonna be more purpley because of the color, but it's like a nude. Oh, it smells so good. let's go ahead and move on to the judging part of before the try on, you know what I mean? Like judging it off just based on the products that we're given. We have a shimmery eyeshadow, a blush, a cream, an eyeshadow brush, and a lip gloss. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I love it. I don't know if it was the MAC lip gloss or the eyeshadow brush or the bag that is just, I'm being sucked into just saying yes without even trying it on. This is the best bag so far. If this is the first IPSY unboxing that you're watching from my channel, I have only had IPSY for 3 months, so this is my 3rd month. So I am judging the bag based off of the last 2 previous bags when I say that this is the best bag so far. Don't get me wrong, I loved last month's bag. I was supposed to go to San Antonio today and I was only planning on doing my eyebrows and my lashes, so I packed in everything that I needed, but we didn't end up going, but everything fit. As for the try on haul, let me go ahead, wipe this off. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the try on part. This is actually for the face and I'm gonna apply it and use it as a moisturizer because why not? I'm not gonna put it on my nose just because I don't want to get oily. I mean, how can you judge a lotion and say something bad about it? I don't know, I'm just not that picky when it comes to lotions. It's fine, smells fine, feels fine, not thick. Like, for the next part of our try on, I guess we would have to do the eyeshadow brush and try it on with this shade. So I'm gonna off camera real quick do my brows, prime my eyelids, and then we'll go ahead and start on our eye look. Okay guys, eyes are primed and guess what I forgot to bring over here? My eyeshadow palettes. That's great because now I'm in a pickle because my lights and the camera and the ring lights in front of me and then next to me is the bed. I can't believe I really forgot my eyeshadow palettes. I'm literally staring at Modern Renaissance right now and I'm just like, if I could just get you, that would be perfect. So getting up, getting the palette made me realize that the background isn't centered, making me look like I'm not centered. For this eye look, I want to keep it very purpley, so I'm going to incorporate kind of red ochre, Venetian red, love letter, and maybe cypress umber. Cypress, I've never known how to pronounce it. I want to do this one on my lid. I'm gonna get it as pigmented as I want it to be so that it can pop, it can stand out, and if we can't get it, then it will just receive a low rating. I mean, come on. Diving right in, we're gonna use Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna from the Modern Renaissance palette with our new brush. We're gonna test it out. Tap out the excess and we're gonna go ahead and see how it's going to wear. I'm only going to show you one eye just to speed up the process, again because Modern Renaissance. I'm going to keep using the brush even for when we go dark and purpley, just because I want to use it as, you know, I just want to use it a lot. Okay, so now that part of it, you know, is done, of course this part of my eyes that does not have eyeshadow is going to be where this stands. So I'm gonna get a flat-ended brush. We're gonna take the e.l.f. makeup mist and set, spray that, pack that baby on. We're gonna go ahead and apply it, baby. Can y'all see that? Ooh, I really hope that you can like see the eyeshadow, you know, like I really hope that it stands out because it does stand out in person, so I hope that the camera is picking up the color. But moving on, all we have left is face. I'm gonna do my face makeup real quick, real fast, and I'll come back to rate one product. It is time to test out the Space Case blush in Cosmic Gangster. So I will be taking my Real Techniques blush brush and let's go ham. And I think that's enough. Let's not get a hold of ourselves. I don't feel like doing highlight today, so we're just gonna go ahead, skip right to the lip gloss part. I was gonna apply it on top of a nude lipstick, but since it's a colored lip gloss and it's not like clear, we're just gonna go and see what the color is, how it feels like, and yeah. We're going to go ahead and move on with the rating. Let's start with the cream. I'll rate it a 6. I mean, what more can you expect from a cream? You know what I mean? As for the eyeshadow, I'm going to rate it in 8.5. The pigment is cute. The color is cute, and I love how this look came out. As for the brush, I'm going to rate this a 9. I really love how, like, I really liked it. And as for the blush, I'm going to rate it a 7.5. It is a shimmery blush, which I don't tend to use. I like being matte. But it is like a very subtle shimmer blush. Like it's not too crazy with the shimmer, you know? Either like, I really like it, so a 7.5 is gonna have to do it for me. As for the MAC lip gloss, the color is stunning, the smell is beautiful, and it feels perfect. It just feels great, you know what I mean? Overall, I really like October's bag. Overall, the bag, I will give it a 9.5. 9.5. We're feeling generous today, or whatever. And that was it for our October unboxing and try on haul. Did y'all guys like it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Anything you want me to incorporate and add as to my judgments, my ratings for these unboxings, also tell me in the comments down below. They would be very much appreciated. But that concludes today's video. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, then make sure you subscribe now. Hello, why wouldn't you? And if you want to be notified every time that I upload, then click the bell next to the subscription box. All my social media will be linked in the description box below, as well as at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, as for IPSY unboxings and try-ons, I will see you next month with our November bag. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. As I always say, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.
Without further ado.
No! What the heck?
Without further ado.
Further.